Hi everybody, welcome back to Model Car Minions Workshop. For my next build, I'll be doing a Hobbycraft Piper J3 Cub. This kit was issued originally by Hobbycraft Canada in 1991. It was also reissued in 1999. Either kit can be built in one of two versions, an Army version or a civilian version. I'll be doing the civilian version. This is everything that's included in the kit. You'll notice that the main body of the plane is made of clear plastic. The instructions are pretty sparse. All in all, the plane went together quite well. However, the mounting point for the axles was quite small, and with all the handling to complete the build, it broke off 3 or 4 times and I had to keep gluing it back on, so it's a little bit fragile there. Along with the windshield, there's a small clear piece that goes on the roof of the cockpit, so I had to cut a small piece of plastic to put underneath, so when I glued the piece of glass in, it didn't fall through. There's a small cub symbol on the tail of the plane that requires attaching 3 decals, one on top of the other. It's the first time I've seen that, but it went on very well.
I'm a little airplane, yes I am. I have a propeller and 2 big wings. I hurry down the runway and lift my nose, then up, 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 and away I go. I'm a little airplane, yes I am, flying all around the town. I fly up and I fly down, I fly in circles round and round. Oh, I'm a little airplane, yes I am. This is how I always land. I stick out my wheels, fly low and slow down, then bump, 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 I'm back on the ground.
This has been a
Model Car Minion.
presentation.
Y'all come back now, dear.